Hello everybody. See that big old scratch on the tailgate right there? I know exactly what to put there. If you give me just a second. And there you go. I got Everyday Solar sticker this morning in the mail. And she's on there with the others that aren't inside the truck. So there you go. Everyday Solars, you're on my tailgate hiding the scratch. And I'll load aluminum ready to take in. Just a bunch of windows and doors and anything and everything. Bunch of aluminum to haul off. My yard's starting to look emptier. I just need to get it cleaned up now. Move some stuff around and I can have more space. I gotta get rid of a garbage can full of glass. But there you are. If you don't watch Everyday Solars, go check her out on YouTube. I'll get you close up there. Go watch her. She's pretty decent. I'll catch you all later. I gotta go take care of my doggy.